if I go back to kind of supermarket world where I was, right, we'd get an area manager would come in. You'd be a new manager running the store, and the area manager would tell you exactly how to fix that store in their view. And the inexperienced manager would go out and do exactly what the area manager told them to do. And the area manager would come back in 2 months and the store would be burning down. Everyone hated the store manager. The store manager hated themselves. I don't understand what's going wrong. You told me to do all these things. I've done all these things. I did this jobs list and it still didn't work. And it took me probably about 7 or 8 years of this experience over and over and over again to realize that you had to turn around to the area manager and go, I understand that you want results. That's fine. But if I do things your way, this is going to burn to the ground. So I'm assuming you don't want that. So you go and do your job and disappear to somebody else for a while. I'm going to do what you pay me to do, fix this place. In the meantime, some things are going to burn because I need to take time to do things right. Some platforms are just going to be left to rot. I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. But I guarantee you in 2 months' time, you will see results. And we come back to it in 2 months' time. And despite their frustrations that I haven't done some of the things that they wanted done, things were starting to move nicely and it was easy all of a sudden. And I think it takes that. You're right. You've got to be prepared to learn.